Ideal solutions. What are they? Very simple. Ideal solutions are solutions that obey Raoult's law. So they obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration. Over the entire range of concentration. So this is a very important fact. Then the ideal solutions have two other important properties, that is the enthalpy of mixing, delta H mixing, is equal to 0, and delta V mixing is also 0. So what is the meaning? Delta H mixing is equal to 0 means that no enthalpy or no energy is absorbed or evolved when the components are mixed. So this is possible when you have the interaction between solute is same as solute solvent, and which in turn same as solvent interaction. So interactions are same. So in that case only delta H mixing will be 0. What exactly happens is very simple. Let us take a solution of two components, component 1 and 2. Component 1 will have interaction 1 and component 2 will have interaction 2. Now when solution is made from these two components, solution will have interaction, so interaction 1,2 in the solution. So now if interaction between 1 and 2 is same or almost same as that of 1,1 and 2,2, so if all these three interactions are at least equal or it is almost same, then the solution becomes ideal solution. And another important aspect is volume of mixing 0. That means what? We can say there is no expansion or there is no contraction in the volume. Say I mix 10 ml of first component and 10 ml of second component. If total volume is 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 ml, that means it is ideal solution. So this is an example. In case if the volume is either more than 20 or less than 20, then it is not going to be ideal solution. So these are some of the important features of ideal solution. Few examples for this type of ideal solution is the mixture of benzene and toluene. Then we also have bromoethane and chloroethane, CClH3 and CbRH3, and also N-hexane and N-heptane. So these are some of the examples which show ideal behavior, and such compounds or such solutions are very rare, and they are like almost they are ideal. 100% ideal solutions are very rare, and such ideal solutions actually follow Raoult's law for any range of concentration.